Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make the crispiest ginger cookies ever. First up, the ingredients. 90 grams of unsalted butter. Make sure it's at room temperature so it blends well with the other ingredients. 90 grams of light, soft brown sugar. 90 grams of golden syrup. This adds a rich, sweet taste. 250 grams of self-raising flour. 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. 2 teaspoons of ground ginger. Let's preheat our oven to 180 degrees. Next, butter up 2 baking sheets. Grab a saucepan and toss in the butter, brown sugar, and golden syrup. Stir this over a gentle heat until everything's melted together. In a separate bowl, sift together the flour, bicarbonate of soda, and ground ginger. Make a well in the center of the dry ingredients and pour in your syrup mixture. Mix it all up until you have a nice, soft dough. It should be slightly sticky. Roll each piece into a smooth ball and place them on your baking sheets, making sure to space them well apart. Flatten each ball slightly. Pop them into the oven and bake for about 15 minutes until they're very lightly browned. Once out of the oven, let the biscuits cool for 2-3 minutes. And there you have it, crispy ginger cookies that are perfect for dunking in tea or enjoying on their own. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more delicious recipes.